and welcome back to Community Storytelling. I am Lissa Kreisler, and I get to talk to one of my favorite new friends, and perhaps your friend too, because she's with the Los Gatos Rotary, one of the two Los Gatos Rotaries, Suzanne Boxer Gassman, president of the, do I call it the noontime Rotary? Afternoon Rotary?
Los Gatos is what we call ourselves.
Okay, because there's the morning Rotary.
There's the morning Rotary.
They meet for breakfast.
Exactly.
And you guys meet for a fabulous lunch.
We do.
And I've actually spoken to both of you.
I know, and I want to tell you, you were a hit.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I had such a good time, such a good time. And I learned so much about what you guys do, and it is incredible. The Morning Rotary, I know, has so many projects going, as do you, but we're here to talk about you guys now. Okay. And I think you come up with maybe a new project every month. Is that true?
Well, we do a lot of service projects, not every month, but we do quite a few throughout the year. And we're excited about this one coming up soon.
And we're going to talk about that. But first, we got End Polio, because I know that is a love of the Rotary that is working to end polio.
I think one of the things I really love about Rotary is that it's international. So wherever you go, there are Rotarians somewhere. And we're working internationally to eliminate polio.
And I'm hoping,
and
we're all
almost
hoping.
There.
And you know what, that day is going to come, and you have given so much to that.
Yeah.
And you're also involved with sending wheelchairs to people in need in Mexico.
That's right. There's a wheelchair foundation, and we donate a wheelchair every week to our speaker, in honor of our speaker. And we have given quite a few in the past years.
And I should have brought my picture with me, because I loved getting that. I mean, not only as a thank you, but you gave me a picture of the woman who was going to be sitting in the wheelchair that is given in my name.
I know. It's inspiring, isn't it?
It really is. It's just wonderful. But I want to talk about what's going on with an elderly woman in Los Gatos who's been, well, you tell the story.
Well, there's a very sweet 93-year-old woman in
93
Los Gatos,
years young.
93 years young, who lives with her daughter, who is her caretaker, and she's been in the Los Gatos community for many, many years. Her husband was an engineer at Lockheed, and before he retired, he was also a World War II vet, I might say. And at one time, she was an Avon lady in the community.
Sweet.
She volunteered in schools, loved doing art and art projects. And we are really thrilled to be able to help her. And the Rebuilding Together project.
Heard of it. In fact, I've worked with them before.
Wonderful organization. And they're going to be having a volunteer day coming up. And our Rotary has donated a certain amount of money to allow us to do this project that will pay for some of the materials and supplies. And we are going to go in and kind of clean up the yard, paint the house, do some things that the owner is not able to do. And I think it will be a great opportunity for us to work together, have a good time, and make a difference. And for the woman that we're helping, and it's going to make the neighborhood look a little nicer too.
Oh, it's just so sweet. 93 years young.
I know.
Needs help with her and her daughter. And here you come.
Yes.
And I assume a lot of the community is going to be out there.
Oh, I tell you, we set our goal for 50 volunteers, and I was like, oh, we got to get 50. Especially some of us are a little older than others, and it's going to take some muscle to do this work. But we have volunteers from the Morning Rotary, from high school Interact kids are coming. We have Boy Scout Troop 339.
Wonderful.
We have volunteers from the community, kids. Some of our Rotarians are bringing their kids, grandkids. So we were supposed to stop at 50, but we're up to 67
now. Oh my gosh, think what you can do. I remember I once volunteered with the radio station. We went out with Habitat for Humanity.
Oh, yeah.
And I remember my job was to put a window in. And I don't know, that window's probably leaking someplace, but we did get a window. It took us all day to get a window in. So I can imagine what you guys are all going to get done.
This is a big job. We're going to paint the house.
Wow.
The backyard is huge, I understand. In fact, some of us are coming a few days early to do a little pre-work. and the front yard needs some help. And so by the end of the day, I think that house is going to look great.
What a good feeling. You got to have a party afterwards.
Well, I think we will.
I hope so. I hope somebody's bringing the champagne.
Oh, yeah.
That
Oh,
is
yeah.
just wonderful. And what a good feeling, right? I mean, what does it feel like? The Rotary, you do so many fabulous things. You got to feel good when you get home at night and say, look what we did today.
I really do. And you know, every year the president gets to pick a project that they're really engaged with. And this was one that connects to my heart. And I know that Terry Gallo, who's Dave Downing's daughter, came and talked to our club about it last year. And I thought, oh, that would be so fabulous, because it's not just doing something good for someone else, which is important.
Yes.
It's all of us working together. And it really gives you a good feeling when you're all working together toward a common goal and you walk away and you say, wow, we made a difference today.
Made a big difference.
Yeah.
Well, that's the Los Gatos Rotary for you.
It is.
And so thank you so much. And I'm so glad you're working with the Morning Rotary. You're going to have all these Rotarians out there that day.
You know what? We work together a lot. We definitely cooperate.
Fabulous. And if anybody wants to get in touch with Los Gatos Rotary website?
We have a great website. All they have to do is Los Gatos Rotary and they'll find it. We also have a Facebook page, so you can find us on Facebook, friend us,
And you
like
both
us.
meet at Los Gatos Lodge?
We do. We meet at noon. We start at noon, and by 1:30, everyone's out.
I know.
We're very careful about timing, so it's
1:29, I got the hook. Oh, Suzanne, so wonderful having you here today, and thank you for doing that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Our
really
pleasure.
Appreciate the opportunity.
Our pleasure. That's what community storytelling is all about. Do you have a story? Because we still love hearing them. You can go to kcat.org and you can do what Suzanne did, and I think it was Amy who nominated her. We'd love to get your nomination as well, and boy, do we appreciate having you with us at KCAT TV 15.